Looking for the best outdoor TV antennas? Outdoor antennas are perfect for boosting your TV signal, providing clear reception of local channels, and cutting cable costs. They're designed to pick up over-the-air broadcasts from far distances, making them ideal for homes in suburban or rural areas. Whether you want HD channels, sports, or news, the right antenna can give you reliable, high-quality viewing without monthly fees. Starting at number 1. Channel Master EXTREMEtenna. The Channel Master EXTREMEtenna, model CM4228HD, is a rugged outdoor TV antenna designed to pull in free over-the-air HD TV channels without a subscription. It features a multi-directional reception pattern with a 180-degree wide beam, so it can pick up signals from different broadcast towers without needing to be perfectly pointed. This antenna supports both VHF and UHF frequencies and can receive TV signals from up to about 80 miles away in ideal conditions, giving you access to major networks like ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, and PBS in HD. Number 2. Antennas Direct ClearStream. The ClearStream 4 from Antennas Direct is a multi-directional TV antenna that lets you receive free over-the-air UHF TV channels from 70+ miles away without needing cable or internet. It uses 4 patented loop elements and reflectors to boost signal focus and reduce pixelation, helping capture local channels even in areas with trees or obstacles. This antenna supports next-gen TV, 4K, 8K UHD, and Full HD broadcasts and includes a 20-inch mast with a pivoting base for versatile mounting indoors, in attics, or outdoors. Number 3. GE Outdoor HD Digital TV Antenna. The GE Outdoor HD Digital TV Antenna 33685 is a long-range Yagi-style outdoor HD TV antenna designed to pull in free over-the-air broadcast channels in 4K and 1080p HD quality without cable or subscription fees. It supports both VHF and UHF signals, giving you access to local networks like ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox, and PBS when within range. The antenna comes with a weather-resistant build and includes a J-mount and mounting hardware so you can install it on your roof, wall, or in an attic. It's ideal for areas up to about 70-80 miles from broadcast towers and works with most TV brands and tuner boxes. Number 4. PBD WA-2608 TV Antenna. The PBD WA-2608 is a feature-packed outdoor TV antenna built to deliver free over-the-air digital TV signals, including HD and 4K 1080p quality. It comes with a built-in amplifier and a 360-degree motorized rotation system controlled by a wireless remote, so you can easily orient the antenna for the best reception without climbing onto your roof. This antenna supports both UHF and VHF channels, includes a mounting pole and 40-foot RG6 cable, and even lets you connect 2 TVs simultaneously. Designed to be weather-resistant for outdoor use, it's ideal for pulling in broadcast signals from distant transmitters, advertised up to about a 150-mile range. Number 5. 5-star Yagi Satellite HD TV Antenna. The 5-star Yagi Satellite HD TV Antenna is a directional outdoor TV antenna designed to bring in free over-the-air broadcast channels including 4K and 1080p HD without cable subscriptions. Its Yagi-style design with extended VHF, UHF elements aims to focus signal reception for clearer picture quality and longer range, claimed up to about 200 miles under ideal conditions. Actual reception varies with terrain and distance from broadcast towers. The antenna supports multiple TVs when paired with a splitter and includes a mounting pole, installation kit, and 40-foot coax cable so you can install it on the roof, attic, chimney, eave, or mast. It's built to resist weather and pull in local channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, PBS, and more.